Now another problem. Please concentrate. Solve y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 12 into e power x. Solve by variation of parameters method. Remember. Now solution. First of all, you have to write given equation is y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 12 into e power x, right? Now compare equation 1 with the standard form. What is standard form? A2 into d square y by dx square plus a1 into dy by dx plus a naught y is equal to q of x. That implies a2 value is equal to coefficient of y double dash 1, a1 is equal to 3, a0 value coefficient of y ante 2, and q of x is equal to 12 into e power x. These two are very very important, right, including signs. Now equation 1 implies, now this can be written as d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 12 into e power x, right? Implies f of d into y is equal to 12 into e power x, where f of d is equal to d square plus 3d plus 2, right? Now auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. That implies m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this. M square plus 2m plus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies m common, m plus 2, 1 common, m plus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify this one. M plus 1 into m plus 2 is equal to 0. Here you will get m is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Here the roots are real numbers and unequal, right? Now in this case complementary function is equal to yc is equal to c1 into e power first root into x plus c2 into e power second root into x. Now again once again I am writing this one, yc is equal to c1 e power minus x, c2 into e power minus 2x, right? Now we got the complementary function as usual, right? Now we have to find the particular integral because right hand side q of x is there. It is not a homogeneous equation, right? Now to find the particular integral, first of all we have to write let y1 is equal to this one, c1 coefficient, that is e power minus x, y2 is equal to e power minus 2x. Now after getting this one, let particular integral of equation 1 is equal to yp is equal to what you have to write, u into y1 v into y2, where u comma v are functions of x. Now yp is equal to u into e power minus x, v into e power minus 2x. If you want to call that equation number 2, this is equation number 3 if you want, right? Now we have to find u and v. These are unknowns. You know how to find u and v. You have to by heart those formulas now, right? Let us see. Now here u is equal to minus of integral q of x into y2 by a2 into what is the formula, y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. Of course you write dx here. Simply substitute those values. U is equal to, in formula minus sign is there. What is q of x here? Q of x is 12 into e power x into what is y2 according to our assumption? Y2 is this one, e power minus 2x. E power minus 2x, right? E power minus 2x by a2 value is what? A2 value is 1, no? Right, 1 into what is y1? Y1 is nothing but e power minus x into y2 dash means this differentiation, e power minus 2x into minus 2, right, minus of. Now second one, what is y1 dash? Y1 dash is, y1 is e power minus x, differentiation is e power minus x, right, into minus 1 into remaining thing is y2. Y2 is e power minus 2x as it is into dx. Now careful, just u is equal to minus integral 12 into e power x e power minus 2x by, now we are minus 2 into e power minus x e power minus 2x minus this minus minus becomes plus e power minus x into e power minus 2x dx. Now simplify this one. U is equal to 12 into e power x into minus 2 power x by, if you want you can simplify, you multiply these two, right? That means e power minus 3x you will get. Okay, no need, right? What you will get here? Minus e power minus x into e power minus 2x. E power minus 2x, e power minus 2x gets cancelled. Minus minus becomes plus. U is equal to 12 into the numerator kelpote e power x into e power x dx, right? Now u is equal to integral 12 into e power 2x dx. Now ordinary integration, e power 2x integration is e power 2 integration by 2, right? That implies u is equal to 6 into e power 2x. Now similarly v, you have to find out what is v. Q of x into y1 by a2 into y1 into y2 dash minus y1 y2, right, into dx. Here y1 you have to replace. That implies if you solve this one, directly I am writing u is equal to, see, so just simply I'll substitute only. What is q of x? 12 into e power x. What is y1? E power minus x. Now this is 1. You know this answer actually. If you simplify this one, what you will get? Yes, minus e power x into, no sorry, minus x into minus 2x. Now e power minus x cancel. U is equal to 12 into e power x. It paiki pote e power 2x dx. Right? Again, v is equal to 12 into e power 3x dx. V is equal to 12 into e power 3x by 3. Right? V is equal to 4 into e power 3x. Of course minus sign is also there, no? Here you will get minus sign. This minus sign is there, right? Minus sign. Forgot to put minus sign, right? That's it. Therefore yp is equal to what? You know yp. What is u into? What is u here? 6 into e power 2x into y1. Y1 is e power minus x plus v. V is what? Minus 4 into e power 3x into y2. Y2 is e power minus 2x. Therefore, the general solution of equation 1 is y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore, y is equal to, what is yc? c1 into e power x, c2 into e power x minus 2x is yc plus, what is yp? This one. If you want, you can simplify this one. 6 into e power 2x into e power minus x plus minus 4 into e power 3x into e power minus 2x. If you want, you can simplify this one. Simplify and write. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e power minus x, c2 e power minus 2x plus 6 into e power x, right? Plus minus, what you will get, minus 4 into e power x, right? If 3 power x minus 2x, again if you simplify, therefore y is equal to c1 e power x, e power minus x, c2 into e power minus x plus, simplify this one, 2 into e power x. This is the complete solution, or you can say general solution.